Welcome to Ritzi. In last session we discussed the Gauss-Jordan method. This is the most important 7 marks question. Now we are going to learn the new concept, that is consistence and inconsistence of a solution. Consistence and inconsistent. Consistent and inconsistent. Consistent is nothing but for three linear equations, three linear equations, it has a unique solution. It has a solution. First of all, it has a solution, and inconsistency is nothing but it has no solution. Consistency is nothing but for three linear equations it has a solution, and inconsistency is nothing but it has no solution. This is all about consistency and inconsistent. Before starting consistency and inconsistency here, now let us discuss about the general terms of consistent and inconsistent. Consider a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1. This is the equation number 1. And a2x plus b2y plus c2z equal to d2. This is the equation number 2. And a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. This is equation number 3. From these three linear equations having three variables and three coefficients, one constant here, from these three equations I am framing a constant matrix, quotient matrix here. First of all, quotient matrix a1 b1 c1, a2 b2 c2, a3 b3 c3. This is a coefficient matrix. Coefficient matrix here. Coefficients of x, y, z and coefficients of x, y, z of second linear equation, coefficients of x, y, z third linear equation. Next, x, capital X is a small x, y, z. This is a variable matrix, and D is a d1, d2, d3. This is a constant matrix here. From these three matrices we need to frame an augmented matrix capital AD, that is equal a1 b1 c1 d1, a2 b2 c2 d2, a3 b3 c3 d3. From this augmented matrix, if we convert the lower triangular matrices are 0, convert this number equal to 0, this number equal to 0, this number equal to 0. If you convert these three numbers 0, the lower triangular matrix if is 0, convert to 0. Three cases are there. First one, if rank of matrix A is equal rank of matrix AD, rank of matrix A is equal rank of matrix AD, then it is called as first case rank of matrix A is equal rank of matrix AD is equal, it is called as it has a unique solution. The rank of matrix A is equal rank of matrix augmented matrix. If both ranks are equal, then it is called as it is a unique solution. It has a unique solution and it is consistent. First one, If rank of matrix A is equal to rank of matrix AD augmented matrix, then it is called as, it has a unique solution, it is a consistence. And here rank is nothing but number of non-zero rows in a matrix is called rank of matrix. Rank of matrix here. The number of non-zero rows in a matrix is called rank of matrix. And the second case is here, if rank of AD is less than 3, the rank of AD is less than 3, but it has many solution that is infinity, and it is a consistence. And the third one, rank of A not equal to rank of augmented matrix AD, then it is called as inconsistent, and it has no solution. Here the topic name is consistent and inconsistency. Here consider a1x plus b1y plus c1z is equal to d1, and a2x plus b2y plus c2z is equal to d2, a3x plus b3y plus c3z is equal to d3. This is about consistency and inconsistency. Here three linear equations are there. From three linear equations we are framing a coefficient matrix, variable matrix and constant matrix. From coefficient matrix and constant matrix we are framing a augmented matrix. In this augmented matrix, if we convert lower triangular elements are 0, three cases are here. First case, if rank of A is equal to rank of AD, then it has a unique solution and it is called as consistency here. And if rank of AD augmented matrix less than 3, but it has many solution, it is a consistence again. And the rank of A not equal to rank of AD, no, it is called as no solution, and it is called as inconsistency here. It has no solution and it is inconsistent. This is all about consistent and inconsistent. Let us see one example here. Let's discuss about one example question of consistency and inconsistency here. Then we can able to understand what is consistency and inconsistency here. I am taking questions are consistent and inconsistent. Equations are the first one, x plus y plus z is equal to 9. This is equation number 1. And the second equation, 2x plus 5y plus 7z is equal to 52. This is equation number 2. And 2x plus y minus z is equal to 0. This is equation number 3. From these three equations, we need to frame a coefficient matrix that is equal 1, 1, 1, 2, 5, 7 and 2, 1, minus 1. This is a quotient matrix of these three linear equations here. I am taking constant matrix, first variable matrix x, y, z. And now constant matrix that is equal D is equal 9, 52 and 0. This is a constant matrix. From this augmented matrix I am writing an augmented matrix here. 1, 1, 1, 9, 2, 5, 7, 52, 2, 1, minus 1, 0. This is an augmented matrix here. From this augmented matrix we need to convert these three numbers are lower triangular matrix and lower triangular elements are 0. Then after finding this one, the number of non-zero rows we need to calculate here. Let's calculate this lower triangular matrix is 0. Here the first assumption is to convert this number is 0 and this number is 0. Then after this number, first if you apply a row transformation here, R2 is changing here, R2 is changed to 0 here. R2 is changing with the base of R1, R2 minus R1, here R2 minus 1, that is 1, 2 minus 2, it will become 0 here. Here 1 is there. If you multiply this R1 with 2, then this number will become 0. Here 2 to R2 minus 2 R1. So let the value is 2 into 2 into 2 into 9. If you 2 into 2 into 18, 9, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2 and 2 9 ja 18. Next, the same number, the same row will appear below 2, 5, 7 and 52. R2 minus R1. R2, justly I am writing below of this R2 minus R1, 2, 2, 2, 18. Now subtract here. 2 minus 2, 0, 5 minus 2, 3, 7 minus 2, 5, 52 minus 18, 2, 1 borrow, 12, 12 minus 8, 4, 4 minus 1, 3, 34. This is 0. Right here, this is a symbol here, similarity. R1 is as it is 1, 1, 1, 9. Only R2 is changed here, 0, 3, 5, 34 and the final one 2, 1, minus 1, 0. Next our assumption is to convert this number is 0. Here I am converting this number, I am changing R3 here, R3 is changed to R3 minus R1 with the base of R1 here. 2 minus 1, that will gives 1. Here 2 minus 2 will give 0 here. If you want to convert this number is 0. Here we need to multiply with R1 with 2. So 2, 1, minus 1, 0. If you multiply the total R1 with 2, 2, 2, 2, 18. Clear? Now subtract here. Signs will be changed. 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 2, minus 1. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Minus 18. Write the values here. 1, 1, 1, 9, 0, 3, 5, 34. Here only R3 is changed. That is 0, minus 1, minus 3, minus 18. Next, similarly, now here all numbers having in row 3 are negative. So R3 is changed to R3 row 3 is divided by minus 1. Then all numbers will become positive here. Next 1, 1, 1, 9, 0, 3, 5, 34, 0 by minus 1, 0, minus 1 by minus 1, 1, minus 3 by minus 1, 3, minus 18 by minus 1, 18. This is the final one. Here the next assumption is to convert this number is 0 here. We should convert this number is 0 here. If you want to convert this number is 0, multiply, we need to multiply this row with 3 here. 3 into R3 minus R2, that will give 0, 3, 9, 54. 18 3 ja 54. Here next subtract R2. 0, 3, 5, 34. Here minus minus minus. 3 3 get cancelled. 9 minus 5, 4, 54 minus 34, that is 20. 0, 0 here. Let's substitute these values here. 0, 0, 4, 20. 1, 1, 1, 9, 0, 3, 5, 34 and the next one is 0, 0, 4, 18. 4, 20. This is 20 here. Next, here the rank of matrix, rank of AD. Here rank of AD is equal to 3. Why? Because here number of non-zero rows are 3. Here we don't have all zeros here, we don't have all zeros here, we don't have all zeros here. So that's why the rank of matrix is 3. So it is a consistent and it has a unique solution. It has a unique solution. From this equation we need to, from this augmented matrix we need to write the equations here. This is x coefficient, y coefficient, z coefficient, this is constant. X 1 into x plus 1 into y plus 1 into z, that is equal to 9. This is equation number 1, or else x y z, x plus y plus z is equal to this 9. This is equation number 1. And 3 into y, because here we don't have x term, 3y plus 5z, that is equal to 34. This is equation number 2. And 4z is equal to 20. This is equation number 3. From this equation 3, we need to solve from equation number 3. Equation 3 implies 4z is equal to 20, z is equal to 20 by 4, 4 1 ja, 4 5 ja, that is equal to 5. Z is equal to 5. We got z is equal to 5 here. And let's substitute z value in equation number 2. This is equation number 4 here. Why? Because he already I indicated 1 2 3 here. This is equation number 6 here. Equation number 5 implies here. Equation number 5 is nothing but 3y plus 5z, that is equal to 34. Let's substitute the value of 5 here. 3y plus 5 into 5 is equal to 34. 3y plus 25, that is equal to 34. 3y, 34 minus 25. 34 is minus 25 is nothing but 9 here. 3y is equal to 9. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, that is equal. Y is equal to 3 here. Y is equal to 3. After getting y value, let's substitute the value of x y in equation number 4. Equation number 4 implies x plus y plus z is equal to 9 here. X we don't know here, y we know 3, z here 5 and 9. X plus 5 plus 3, that is equal to 8, 9, x is equal 9 minus 8, that is equal, x is equal to 1. Here we got x, y, z value. Let's check here. Checking here. I am checking the process here. Check. Equation 4 implies x plus y plus z is equal to 9. Here x we got 1, y we got 3, z we got 5 is equal to 9. 1 plus 3 plus 4, 5 is nothing but 9. 9 is equal to 9. Here this is the consistent and having a unique solution about consistent and unique solution. This is all about consistency and inconsistency of a equation here. If it is, the three cases are there here. Case 1, if the rank of matrix AD is equal to 3 of rank of matrix A is equal to AD, then it is called as consistent and it has a solution, unique solution. And the second one, rank of matrix AD is less than 3, then it is called as consistent, as well as it has many solutions like infinity, many solutions. And the rank of matrix A is equal to rank of matrix A is not equal to rank of matrix AD, then it is called as inconsistent, it has no solution. This is all about consistency and inconsistency of a linear equations. Thank you.